I want to do everything in my power to make sure this boat goes from my boat dock to your boat dock. We have the deals up to 40% and all our Fjord inventory. We are ready for you guys. Contact us, talk to your salesperson, and let's get you on the water before the end of the year. And I want to show you one thing, how easy it is to maneuver these boats with a joystick. So if you are not 100% sure you can handle a bigger boat, look at the videos. Anybody can dock a boat with a joystick. How easy the joystick makes docking today. So just push the joystick to where you want to go and how you want to get there, and it will bring you right there. It's almost like a video game. And remember, wherever your boat dock might be, we probably can ship there.